beautiful people. Hi there. Welcome back to my channel. For the ones who are new here, my name is Jacqueline. For the returning subscriber, thanks so much for coming back. And if you're new, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like and comment. And even for my own subscribers, please comment and share. And tell a friend to tell a friend. Let's go watch this girl. She is something. So what we are doing, remember yesterday, I don't know if you watched it. If you didn't watch it, go and watch. I was cleaning the house, and today see the continuation of yesterday's vlog. I did some cleaning, but I didn't finish up, so today I'm arranging a little bit. Yeah, so the next vlog you see where I was arranging the shoes. Now I'm arranging the clothes because my closet is really a mess. Yeah, I have to do some arranging here, some t-shirts and some of food a little bit, and we'll do this together. Okay, so guys, thank you so much for all your love and support that you're showing to my channel. I really appreciate and don't take nothing for granted. I know it's a process, and I'm very, very appreciative. Yeah, so let's do this folding of the clothes. So yesterday I did a lot of cleaning, but I didn't finish up because I had to go to work and I had to watch it properly. Yeah, so today I will just touch a little bit of the tops. These are the small tops which I don't put in my closet because it's a lot of them. Some are everywhere. Even anywhere. What's this written? Good vibes. For sure, this channel is good vibes. Yes, it's a family channel. It's just a vlog. Yeah, showing my this one a long time I did wear it. That's cute. Yeah, that's cute. It's a, what is it called? Maybe I'll wear it tomorrow when I'm doing the other vlog. You know, sometimes you have to keep on removing your clothes in the closet and putting them back, because that's how you know, oh, I didn't wear this for so long, so you need to wear it. Huh? Yeah. Because sometimes you forget even you have some clothes. Is this mine? Wow, that's cute. I thought it was Olivia's. Nope. For whoever doesn't know, I have an 8-year-old daughter. That's why I always say Olivia, Olivia in my shows. Yeah. Yeah, she is a cute pie, but she don't want to be in the vlogs. She's in that age. She still like the videos that mommy is taking. She think I don't know what I'm doing. Yeah, so guys, I hope you're all doing well. And this is, I have to put the winter clothes away. This is a turtleneck. It's really warm. I like it. It's an old one. How many? Maybe 20 years. 20 years old. 20 years old. But maybe I wear it like once a year. Once a year I wear it. This one is my favorite. It's Dior. Yeah. It smells Dior perfume. Yeah. I was given this as a gift. As a gift. Nowadays I'm becoming very good with folding clothes. Ooh. Oh, long time I didn't wear this. I have to wear it and make a TikTok video. Long time. Long time. So I think my home science teacher taught me good job of folding clothes. And my home science teacher was my mom. Thanks, Mom, for being a good teacher to me and teaching me. But it became so creepy sometimes when she had to teach us about adolescence. Yeah, I used to love her as a teacher, but when he used to come like teaching, like I remember class 6, when we used to learn about boys and girls and everything, That one became a little bit creepy. Because it's your mom telling you those things. You know what I mean? I like this t-shirt. My mom loves this t-shirt. When I'm wearing it, she's like, oh, it makes you look big. I don't know why African moms, they like when you look big. They don't know it's not good. Yeah, she's like, oh, when we are going somewhere, can you wear the t-shirt that has Olympic something over there? Because it looks really good on you. I'm like, Mommy, that's a t-shirt to wear at home, not to go somewhere. She's like, but it looks good on you. And then I came to ask one of my sisters. She's like, yeah, she said the other clothes make you look very small and she don't like it. She is very sneaky. She is a funny mom. I'm like, oh my God, you mom, you don't know. Yeah, they like when someone looks a little bit, strong. Not weak. I'm not weak. I'm strong. I'm strong. That's my body. I think I look like my dad's mom. She used to be very tiny. She was a tiny lady. She was a tiny lady. Tiny, tiny. Maybe that's me. Yeah, maybe the jeans. Oh, today I'm very fast. Wow. I'm doing this job very well. I don't know why I don't feel like throwing clothes. This one has a hole on it, but I don't like throwing it. I don't know. You know what? Today I have to throw it away. This is bad behavior. You can't have something torn, like this, and then you still folding it and putting it back in the closet. No, you are going in the garbage. Okay. That's good. I like my pajamas. This pajama, it was Olivia's. She was given by someone for Christmas. But yeah, it was a big size, so I was like, okay, I'll take it. I love it. So here the clothes are all mixed up. So I'll try to put the sweaters together. Because you can see the sweaters are everywhere, the shirts are everywhere. Because if you see, my closet is full of sweaters. You can tell I'm a cold-blooded lady. Okay. Sweaters. Sweaters. This one I really like it. It's really warm. I don't like when you put clothes the hangers the wrong way. The wrong way, and then they are facing the other side. It's supposed to face that side. Yes. I don't know. I will put there too much clothes. Jesus. I never wore some clothes. Jeez, too much. I'm just trying to put the sweaters together because they are crumbling other clothes. I need a bigger. Excuse me. And the pins are all over. I mixed the pants, everything together. I like this. Do the TikTok. I like it. I miss it. That's for airport. airport. Yeah, so guys, I'm trying to, I have to put the jeans, not today for sure. Jeans need to be one side, sweatpants need to be on the other side. Maybe I should arrange them now. Maybe I don't have enough time. Oh, long time I did wear this. Wow. It's cute. It matches with this rent top. This pajama top. Okay. This one is my fave. I got it from Kenya. It's nice. It has a slit over here, so you can see. It's beautiful, and it's stretching. It holds the diabas. Excuse me. And I got this one too. And I'm going to work soon, so I have to, maybe this vlog gonna stop in the next few minutes. And then guys, I will see you on the continuation of my vlog. Okay? So, this one goes here. That is the extra hangers. I still have to arrange them nicely. They are not really arranged. I have a lot of undies. Yeah, undies needs to go in the same. This is a undi. This is a undi. See? Ooh, Chanel. I like Chanel. Gucci. I love New York. You do? Levy. Oh, this is a cute top. My mom gave it to me when I went to Kenya last year, March. I never wore it. I don't know how to wear this year. This looks so official. I don't know. How will I look with it? I don't know how to wear it. Here in Canada, we just like t-shirts and jeans. When you dress up so much, people, they are like, where is she going? So I'm not sure where I can wear that one. I'm not really sure. Okay, so I think I'll finish the rest tomorrow. I'm a little bit tired now. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I need to arrange the shoes too. I need to arrange the shoes. I have a couple of shoes here. I need to arrange them. Even I haven't checked some of them. Okay, let's see what's in here. What's in this one? I forgot even what. Sometimes I put the shoes in the boxes. I don't even remember what they are. Let's see. Ooh, nice. This is cute. I have to try it on with the socks. That's beautiful. And does it? Oh my goodness. I don't know if you can see it, guys. I have to remove the socks and put it on. Wow. 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 Is the foot back there? Can I walk with them? Let me see. Remove the socks. Ciao. 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 Beautiful. I don't know if you can see the feet. I'm not sure. But anyway, they are cute. See? Those ones, they stay until summertime. That's when we're gonna take them out of the box. They stay there. Right now, remember the ones I was cleaning and the other ones. Yeah, because the ones I was cleaning, those are the ones you wear for. Oh, and the other sandals. Long time I do wear these sandals. A lot. And big boots and everything. Too much. Women with shoes. Not women. My favorite. This one, I wear it everywhere. You know those slippers you leave by the door? When you're going somewhere, you just snip them on, and then here you go. Okay, guys. Now I think it's time for Mama to go to work. I'll see you. Thanks, guys, for watching. I'll see you on the next vlog. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. I love you. Ciao.